All right, good afternoon, everybody. Hope you all had a great weekend. Enjoyed the football, unlike I did. My team's off to a rough start, but this week did not get off to a rough start today. I got one really nice trade in REE. Gonna break it down in today's video, so let's go this trade.
Till. REE.
All right, is he gonna get through 430 here? Really would love through 440, but we'll see what it does here.
Till. REE.
All right, can it go?
INBS.
All right, let's see if we can get through 440. I think I'll be
Till.
happier with a
Carat.
440 plus
REE.
entry.
Order
All
filled.
right, I'm gonna jump in here. I'm in 500 shares at 440 on REE.
Till. REE.
Under 430,
Till.
I'll look to take a
REE.
partial if it gets back down.
Till. REE.
Nope, coming back up. So now I'll look for the pop through 450, looking for 460s at least.
Order partially
Alright.
filled.
Trying to
REE.
add in here, only got 55.
partially
Okay, there
filled.
we go. Now I've got 1,000
Order
at
filled.
450.
REE. REE.
Here we go. Watching it. Keep coming. Ooh, I thought it was going to break back down there. Gonna get back down under 440. Alright, here we go. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Order
Beautiful.
filled.
Gonna take half off there. Down to 500. See if he wants to come a little bit further.
Order partially
Alright, I'm gonna
filled.
take another 300 shares off
Order
there.
filled.
It was came up and made a new high, so now I just want to be a little bit more careful with it. Now see if it can come down further here. If it gets under 225, look for another 100. Beautiful.
REE
partially
equals
filled.
Okay,
REE.
got that. Down to
Order
100
filled.
here. Maybe even try and piece this out a bit further into 50 share lots if it comes down under 420. Not gonna let this remaining shares go against me though at this point.
Carat red code at B/E. Roost asterisk. $. Reduced LOL.
Alright, see if we can get under 420 here. Moves down closer to the
GNLN.
410s. Actually gonna drag this down to 441. Won't let it go back up against me to that part. So that's still in the green on the last 100 here no matter what, but hoping it continues down a bit more. Can it get under 420? Alright, here we go. Keep pushing down here. REE. Well, it got under there. Didn't continue yet. Might be a sign that it is getting some decent support here around 420. Still trying to wait, see if it can continue down further.
Meh. Small dollar.
Here we go, here we go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep pushing it down here.
Order
Beautiful.
partially
Alright, gonna
filled.
take another 50 shares there.
Order filled.
Reset my stop. I'm just gonna trail my stop down now. Put it at 426 on the rest currently. Now let's see if this thing can maybe bleed out. Somehow got down to 390 though. I would be happy to take that. And a break under 4. Drag my stop down a little bit more here. 421 now, as it's testing 4. All right, is it going to come back down under 4 here? Good. All right, now I'm going to move my stop down here to 417.
Till.
Hoping it can continue here and not pop back up again now that it's gotten under 4 twice. And
Order filled.
all right, there we go. All stopped out there in REE. Can't really complain about this one. Sure, would have been nice to just do this bigger dump right away without going through that pullback. Absolutely, but overall, for 2 500 share entries on a $4 stock to get almost $200 out of it, I will take it.
N.
Okay, so just the one trade today. Let's break it down real quick because this one is like a picture-perfect example of a setup that I like to look for here in REE. Really, the only issue with it was that there was a little bit of buying power restrictions in IB, so I had to just keep that in mind when I was doing my sizing. I did throw some shares. I threw some orders out up at like $5 for 1,000 shares, seeing how many it would let me take, and it wasn't that many, so had to keep that in mind while I was doing it. But if you look at the daily chart here on REE, you see it pretty much came up right to the VWAP. It was a big extended move off of the bottom, hitting on the scanner with some pretty good volume on a good price. So pretty much all the things here were saying this was a really good setup. I was able to get 2 entries on this one here. The first 500 short, I wanted to get that in just before 450 in case that became the line it couldn't get to. It ended up being pretty much the VWAP is what it got it up to. Got up to 470 here, and the VWAP was at like 475, 480 at the time, and it just... And by VWAP, I keep saying VWAP. I meant 200 moving average on the daily chart. I don't know why I kept saying VWAP there. Probably because it's the same color lines on both of my charts here. But anyways, so got a pretty good entry there. Unfortunately, it did pop back up. I would have liked for it to have just completely rolled over immediately and then could have gotten a little bit better pricing on partialing out the second half on this move down into this further, but you know, either way, it still worked out pretty nicely. Didn't end up coming much more down under 4 after this pop. You can see it's pretty much just gone sideways. So, you know, I'm not disappointed with how I played that one at all, and take that one to start off hopefully what's going to be a really good week. So there you have it, everybody, making just under $190 today on that one trade. I'll take it. Would have liked to get some more in, but really it was quite slow out there overall. I don't know if people were hungover from the weekend or what, but you know, it is what it is. Hey, do me one big favor if you're enjoying these videos or you hate them. Do it anyway. Hit like, hit subscribe. Help me out a little bit. It's tough here in the stock YouTube world when you're not doing the funded futures and all that. So help me out. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you later.